Before I came to OPI, I was having a really hard time with just sort of like motivation. Something that we saw on the OPI website that really got us interested was it described failure to launch, and that's really what felt like it described like what I was experiencing. I had been seeing therapists for almost 10 years at that point and had been on various antidepressants, but I found that it wasn't really helping. My relationship with my parents was at times very contentious before I came to OPI. There was a lot of conflict between us since I was living at home and not really doing much. I would have a job for 6 months at a time or less, and then there'd be long periods where I wasn't really employed or going to school, or if I was in school, not taking it seriously. And of course that frustrated my parents a lot, and I really felt like just there might not be anything that would help me. Like I just felt like there might be something fundamentally wrong with me. With working through family therapy, I feel like that improved the relationship so much, and now there's a lot of mutual trust, and there was always love, but now it doesn't feel as hard to talk about hard things with them. I noticed a gradual change in sort of my distress tolerance and my willing to engage with the rest of the world. I felt like my therapists really helped with, really being there and helping me work through problems, especially emotional problems as they came up. Whereas, the career department, they were able to help me decide what the right path for me was. And my life skills department, they were able to help me, really put into practice some of the skills that I'd been learning. And so it felt like every staff played a role. A lot of what I learned about myself is I can work through my struggles and overcome my struggles, and that they don't define me, and that even though I'm not perfect and I make mistakes and I still, struggle with things that I've struggled with my whole life, that I still have value. I think that was one of the biggest things that was holding me back, was a lack of belief in myself that I can do things that aren't immediately easy for me. It was a life-changing experience for me, and I am so grateful that it gave me what I needed to make the change in my life that I wanted to make. If you want to work to make a change in your life, they will be with you every step of the way and give you all the tools that you need to make that change.